Good morning, YouTube. Another beautiful day in Gulfport, Florida. Reason for this video is to introduce you to Cheryl. I named this bird creation after the woman that gave me the shovelhead. The beak is made out of bed rails. The feet and legs are 3/8 rebar, and of course the body is a shovel head. A nice brown complexion for the real Cheryl that gave me the shovel head. I torch cut the back of it to make it look like feathers, and I gave it some accents with the angle grinder. I still have my Patriot windmill and my bottle tree. I have the sprinkler going here because we've been having a dry season. Letting the bushes soak in real good. Oh, hear that diesel truck going by. Take care. Thanks for watching.